Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, hit Allow in the pop-ups. And when you finished, just close your app. Finally, you can go to Devices Settings. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. Tap on Default Apps and click on Home App. Last but not least, to apply iOS Launcher, click on it. Then you need to choose Got It. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and choosing Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!